Hi, it's Mike Custom Cruisers. As you can see, a beautiful bit kit. This is a dirty air kit for a V-Rod. Okay, it goes down to 10.75 when it's fully compressed, and obviously go up to the stock ride height, which I believe is 13.5. You can adjust it with this compressor here using the switch. Little push button switch here, up and down. The airline simply connecting to here from the compressor. Okay, goes into the valve block, and then your two lines, these come out and go to each shop. So basically, as you're going along, you can rise and lower the height of the bike. Cracking bit of kit, made in the States, as you can see. It's similar to the Gabriel Skyjackers or Airjackers, whatever they used to call them, apparently, and fully rebuildable as well. So if ever you need to rebuild them, the old versions of these you couldn't. Now it looks like these are actually CNC billet. Yeah, they are. The old ones were pressed steel, whereas these are actually CNC machine. Looking at them, very well made. As you know, Dirty Air, quite a good good name in this game. If you're interested in any great Dirty Air products for any bike, give us a call, 01773 835 666, customcruisers.com, if it ever gets done. Thank you. 01773 835 666, or best bet is email me, sales@customcruisers.com, rather than WhatsApp, Messenger and all that other stuff. Thank you.